How about some cake? Oh. Why don't you should try to eat some of it?
Well, we don't know for sure what it is.
Here. Take a little piece of cake and put it in your mouth. No, maybe not.
Well, maybe, yeah. Now he's got the message. Oh, he's got the message. By golly.
It's an awful lot of work, eh?
There you go. Now you got the message. Oh, we didn't get it. Oh, yeah.
He's got a big fistful of mush.
Yeah.
So there's, you can Oh boy, see, it is good. Believe us, we're telling you the right stuff. This is good.
Bruce, grab that for me.
Another
You
piece
will.
of
Would you get some more 7-Up? Half a glass, please. That's why I got the sheet. I figured it might go all over the place. I know that's what they did too. They just brought an old plastic tablecloth and just set it down on that way. And